Amahoro bengi ya mwancho murigeri begetaseni kya Ndizi TV ngwege na litko lya uri abere litoero kegima na nene kwa bere go kwego kya kobwati miroberi yonsi yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mu Gusii litko lya lerekero litko lya Jumanne tariki 15 cy'umutyenyi o 11 omwaka w'echi wibere na meronko ebere nebere neritko bono abawaziri uko serikali ya county ya Kisii baba gotiani wabene rigo chaga kurwa bokoreri bwabene ase abananchi omuroberi obago goikeraniwa no mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati oyobagania gochia kobwatrana kurwa bokoreri uburobu ya asabamenyi be county ya Kisii nechinga kingiye kero yaragire Ensa Eyemo ya bono mogoroba chinga kingo kwarigani eri nkomanyuna na rayana kwariganire asenchera ere yoboikeranu korende ritanganike yimatigana kumanye gati ari kwariganirete asenchera ere yobwenye.
I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office.
Magega yogo chorwa na kunenkiwa kwa bawaziri ase county ya Kisii nigo batiani wabene gochako bokoreri asaba na inchi.
The people want peace. People are tired of war. Many thousands have died.
Oyo kabeiro murai wense Uhuru Kenyatta kugania babwatani korwa sense ya DRC korari omorembe.
Amani National Congress is there to stay. It will never fall.
Ababwatani korwa seki amaki Amani National Congress koene kiangetgarite kobege tingu chinga kitimamia iriro burai we kiamekyo. Omancho murigeri bona yo manayanda mangengo kwarigani eri nkumanya senchera ere yobekiranwe kerongo koinyorio buna naboko gendra gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyoro wetera Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter nabogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yetu tonyoro wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eri otogendre go kumanya manke eri tariane Evelino Sero ulitokubwatrana nere kwene kiawe kera sensemo imanyererio nigakorokwa Joshua Uta kabana ituiko mwerio koko ariganto chake Amayia yense ya masenchira yobekiranu korwa se county ya Kisii awase abawaziri abo babete bagochorwa no mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati litkolya lero baba gotiani wabene eriyo gochaka obokoreri ase abananchi okwana chinga kicho muyego y'umugavana we county ya Kisii Simbarati nigo abakirangambya mono aso kwenyorera amabaga na kubaganya gochako bwatrana eriyo ikirani obokoreri burobu yago chasomomenyi we county ya Kisii ayo manayanda mange niko twariganire no muri keito Stephen Ndemo
kianda gati yaba waziri komi bachoretu na Paul Simbarati nigorere kemambi baitugune bunge ye county ya Kisii nechinsa cha marogoba gutiani gwoyo maso yomo gochako bokoreri asechi wizara batenenerete.
I, Dr. Alfred Ndemo Ongera, do solemnly swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people.
Shall diligently discharge any duties and perform any function in the state office,
in the office of the Executive Committee, Member of Lands, Fiscal Planning, Housing and Urban Development.
So help me God.
Nonye nabo Elietario Musubati Beatrice Monginore ngatene robole mindietrine kamati ye bunge ye county ya Kisii asomo governor Simbarati asikama chibu ye bunge na kuruira yokwana nelietalinde kolivali bagali ya Beatrice.
Sisi mmoja ambaye vitu zake zikuenda mzuri. The honorable members waliuliza kuwa fair upatie huyo sisi kule alitoka na huyu mwanamke.
Assembly ya Sancheni ndugu zangu na dada zangu kwa kazi nzuri mlioifanya. Mmefanya kwa sababu hata kudrop mtu wangu mmoja sijasikia mbaya. Nimesema kwamba it's in your wisdom. You have done it and I have accepted. Kwa hivyo nitachukua hiyo na roho moja tu na tutafanya kazi pamoja.
Aba MCA nigo bagani obokoreri oboikiranu korwa asaba waziri batiani gwa kwene kingo ikeri bale chira baruete asaba menyi bechu ward ye 45 bakora.
For us as the leaders of Kisii County, in support with the governor, we are going to give you the necessary support you need in terms of legislation and in terms of oversight to make sure that you deliver the mandate that you have been given.
Simba arati nagokera gwatani gukwa bakonyi baye ase wizara ase kulinda abatebya buna obokoreri bwabo na burarigeri gumono ase chinsemo bakora.
This team comprising talented, diverse and experienced leaders. I wish to congratulate you all. Roads, the gentleman who has been given roads, I know that's where the siphoning point of the county money. Agriculture. Yeah? That's another route. We will seal those routes.
Chinga chiecho arati na oroke birengeri byuko babekange abakorari barenga se serikali ya James Ongwae abo bamoikiranga matukabwa ngo iga buna Patrick Lumumba.
This gentleman, despite the fact that he worked in the past regime, is a hard work. I was considering to have him in my system. Is a hard work, that's for sure. It's a good team. My brother, you'll be with me around.
Magega yaba waziri be county gotianigwa ekikera bwatino kolingoli gukwa aba chief officer imeche wizara au chie county ya Kisii.
Kwa hayo mengi nashukuru na maulana ni mengi ya kuku ni mayai. Asanteni.
Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwa segeti kia Gusii Stadium kegotoka sebunge ya Nyaribali chache county ya Kisii. Elietariane Ndemo Steven.
Mbia mono murike itondemo Stephen ase oroboti ururikirano korwa ase county ya Kisii togotingana nayo ni gotokogenda ase county ya Nyamira awase ekinayo kwamereria bubwibwaye omumenere bwe county ya Nyamira Jerusha Mumanyi ekikyabete kego ikiwa ase kigambero no yorenge korya ekeroge kyo Emily Matoke nigo kegenderete gotegererwa ase yaswali tkoria kabero murike ito job mangi korwa ase county ya Nyamira niga gutumanya mangi
nigo ekinagyo kwamereria obobwibo muteneneri bwabangi na Jerusha Mumanyi kegendete gotegererwa aserero gyategererwa serituko lya kabere lye wiki eye.
At page 144 of the petition, there is a certificate of the recording under section 106B of the Evidence Act.
Asebiroli bagendete korwa obosaiti bwabona kolingoli gunaba wakili kiroli omutanganigo ikigwa bosibweke gambero noyo korokwa Edwin Okari asatene nigwa korwa obosaidi bwaye asengencho alenge egati ababisabe kyombekia obocholi ne chimbebe IEBC chinsemo kya Nyansiongo.
I would say this is the first time seeing an official of the commission stand to testify against the employer.
Steward Oyugi na sebabuna kurancha bwate obwasioku ekyoge kairira abagenti ba Emily Nyagarama mbabegeti essay form cha 39B asebituo binde.
During the tallying exercise, it happened that the presiding officer from SARS from Eyemo polling station tallies, and the agents who are aligned to one Dr. Ndizi Matoke negotiated.
Geoffrey Musinga oyorenge egati abagenti bomoseli naru obusaiti bwaye asate ababuna nige gati abarai abanene ase serikali baturuba netichikura.
Sema hapo na mtu angependa apigiwe kura.
Ndio sababu kulikuwa na mheshimiwa mwingine Jerusha pia alikuwa huko.
Omunachi ekina kanye kimondo nasiekira egati obosaiti bonde isiko asengencho nigo bwarwe gwabonyolire.
The upshot of my deliberations being that the application to introduce the flash drive by PW14 is disallowed For the avoidance of doubt, however, the oral testimony by this witness stands, and secondly, the other part of his affidavit that make no reference to the impugned flash drive also stand.
Ruase County ya Nyamira, Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Miyamano omurikeito Job Mangi asoroboti ururikiranu koruase county ya Nyamira okorua maki na boigo okumigwa kwa basubati na kwo anene kwa irera basubati gotanyora mabaga ase oburai Lusbela bwari no yomo bwa bali baligetie kirogo kyo bumirire pimeye county ya Kisii korende tibanyora ribagerio oyo boigo olomuriki bye kiombe kya nat asorosagia rwagucha na omurikeito Brighton Makori na bakagusanganere na tiwatoigwe ayuabwate.
Kere myaka 5 niga Abakenya bagosoka na gwakachukura iriko bachora abarayi bande barabaraya se myaka 5 bunere botambe niga abarayi bagosoka iriko semeria bunangonyora balichukura kurenda sabande batari guchinyora egetase ni Ndizi TV ntwaga nikomanya ningianene gekoirera abande mbakonyora chikurecho ekerutanyora na Lusfera abwali oyoride kerokyo bogurumire bwase county ya Kisii
chibesa echiare guchenjia magoko warikonyora batuguchwake baguchwaka chikura ebakoe guchibesa bona yori utabwati besa mbaliko gotegerera
ukugorwa kwa bali baguchotenera chikura na kero kibwari na tabuna na kekoirera abande mbakonyora chikura echo
bachende baito bariko gende bitu bakonyora bali bakuruchibesa babagura
okorusi abakichigura korwa sensemende uchase yende nero nateba bona kigetango gyokogera abande mbakonyora obubui
abakichigure bagoretu bari kurusi gusiko nabonora nyanda bakurusi Nairobi barusi kamega ko Eldoret bacha gwaka chikura Kisii county bone kera baikire gaiga mbakomanyeti bone bagwakera omonto chikura anyano mugaba no bagorete bagerera inapu yo mugaba no oyo bagorete na inche narenge line up na bange tuarenge totarenge line up
bunero mosubati na tabuna ogotatwara chibara ase county ya Kisii nero njeirete gotaikera abantu atagete goikera
mumanyete gusiga imbura bunegotu goika yarenge ya tuchigari jasunyweta kwanyora nya gari teri goita ko kuimukie pigipigi ya koyeria muskobono gwasunyu goikera abantu
bwari niganyarira komojia abasaja anene kero bakomiga basubati ekero batangasire ko liye birogo ao
abasaja mbali ko tutiga ntubuna bakungu tueli birogo byito ntutweka na barabu akonyora bakoliye kero kiabagi ekiagara buna bono okwara konyora umusaja akoliye bogabana osakoliye oboseneto manya kotenota yabanga inche mako ngo bogabana mongera mukungu gete
kurende nonye bwari onyarete gakobu jigura cyo mwaka oyo iga ni gateruna na nyarete kagwe somia amange
inche buno monto na beta connected nimbwata bona chinet gwaki ntabwate there before namba ibere ni manya na manyira abantu ntamanyete namba iseto NCCK na yagenderete gotokorera civic education na yagenderete ku work 92 na yagenderete ko toaji network na yagenderete ko toaji program to kunya ko on the ground egere tuwe familia raisi na abantu ekara tugocha ko boli chikura naende anyora abantu maybe batatu manyete batumanyire
nigabori ababunge ko chikobeka lichiko lirira tange bali bagochukurwa maki eliko ligi chikura
serikali yali kuchwanja members of parliament ikiakara no nyambarabu iko bali kurujibesa bakamanya gwake ruchiko bali kuchwanja barosiri chiko ligo tanga abantu ondubwensi okorujibesa kana chibesa kurwa magwa kiruchikura atangu
ni gatogiri ekiombe kia National Council of Churches of Kenya asogosira basubati asokoliye birogo ao
kiombe kia NCCK ekikere kiombe gichikanisa ngia toletete gigatosomia andekere giatosomi togatumiskaria togende tokole chikura chio morembe n'ubwanchani ekyo ntu akenyorete ekiagera segiterwane chikura mbuya chiakoretu nande mbuya tua transit
go reporter getaseni Ndizi TV edariane Brighton Makori
Mbiyamano murikeito Brighton Makori ase oroboti ururikiranu abakori emerimo ase sector y'obachenu anene bari berwete gokora emerimo ase binyoroni go bagenderete no murobero bwo gukora chinda ase chinsemo ao nilitkori alero ni go baikirana ase nsemo ya bituka B yo toka ime ya Nyatieko ebunke ya Kitutu Chache South na korwa obokonyo bwo nabona ni go baganire serikali ya county ya Kisii ko baikange na ko basira iri gukora umuchando yo asaba abantu bali ababeire bawakwa omurikyo ito Mildred Momanyi noroboti urwaso bwime.
Omochando bw'echinda nigo ogenderete koba egetango anene muno ase chifamilia chiri chitali kwenyara iyo ekweirera abana bange gusinya kogenda ase chisukuru kubwatikana n'amakongwa mange akoretwa n'echinda. Ekiombe gya community workers kurwa eward ya Nyatieko ase ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South nigo besokya iliyogokonya gusibya abana kurwe familia Eyemo iyo ere ase ensemo ye kenyorokia bitukabi iliyogokora omochando bw'echinda ase babwata yaiga.
Kwate campaign lero twaranga nto cha gukira nyumba sengeja abana aba ne familia ebwata bakongwe chinda nagitwaranga lero n'abanyagitari baito koruranda na ne kurwa kera dispensary twaikazo bwango aso correspond se problem weiga egere to bakonye
nabwata abana bakabake batakeiro borendi obuya basibigwe enyombe omwe egere rende gusa abana bakine biya bagende chisukuru
toise ko batukorigereria na boturasiri no bogimese abantu baita sekenyo.
Joseph Omwenga uyokonyeka gwetera omuroberio yo amone familia yaye nigo agokera egitambo kerekyo ase akangambya mono asagania obokonyi kurwase abasamaria abaya.
Agoki wazo munyakitali wokamuri obokonyi abana. Enyumye ndaka obokonyi nyumba yo.
Ekiombe keigani go kerengete gukora omochando yoiga ase wikira bono igakorenga na barubo batiga irichinga ikomichoka kurwa chinga chimia ibere.
To target around 10 households chitigarete ase ward yengima to chikole gera after ekera to one stake exercise yeke cha ngombe charenge 200 to achiminyokirie boniga to tigarete chinyomba 10 household wono intwe twaranga ka to ganye county eche echako gotokonya abana banokonya abaumire so tora tiatora akore tiatora cha tora bakonya kwanza egere chinda nchiba ko affect.
Ase chinga kiecho nigo bagania eserikali ye county kobanyora na kubamenta chinguru eliyogokora omochando yoiga.
Kugani waito wochi ase serikali nkolinge tomente chinguru elinde tonyare kurwania amangana yaiga yechinda na emeroberio ndenero emenge turanyare gosoa tubwaterane gusiria
bakonye ensemo ye program ye chinda mono kiagera abantu bale bebisete boniga tutagetetia aba mbaro barwarte bobate problem ye chinda lakini yakonyegera barorira abantu bune ntwa abanyitari bagotama so we are targeting no na se nyagitari jeto buna iranda level 5 hospital kieteriachi batori ko organize buna community workers kire twaretira abantu buna aba tibako bachachi mbaba chachi besa baba tendi buya ba egere ba muchando yokoreki oere
omochando bw'echinda nigo beire guchanda abantu bange anene mono kurugaiga ase bunge ya Kitutu Chache South ase ritukolia lero kiombe kemogyo gokonya abantu kiabeirege gwesokia eliokonya bali bachandigete no muchando yiga ase babire uko babako basibya eligokenya omochando yo bw'echinda ginko reporter ya Taseni Ndizi TV kurugaiga e constituency ya Kitutu Chache South elietaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Bia mono omurikeito Mildred Momanyi ase oroboti ruru ikranu togotigana nayo nigo omurayo mukoro bwense urumwiga Kenyatta asabire ebyombe ao korwa sense ya Democratic Republic of Congo korario murembe chinga kichonsi uru yoboigo oromwarigania wekiombe kya EAC niga yakwanaya chinga kichege ikaro kyo murubiri wo murembe asensemo ya Kinshasa.
We have not come here with any particular mindset
avec une mentalité particulière
to dictate
pour imposer
what should happen,
ce qui doit arriver,
but rather
mais
in the spirit
c'est dans l'optique
of our understanding
de notre compréhension
and the mandate that has been given to us.
Aussi
we came here
qui nous a été assigné
to listen
ici, écouter
to the people
les gens,
of the Congo,
le peuple congolais.
And we're looking forward, and the message that we have today
et là nous évoluons par rapport au message que
is that all groups who currently bear arms
tous les groupes qui ont enterré
should lay those arms down and choose the path
et qui ont choisi la voie le sens
through dialogue,
à travers le dialogue,
because there is nothing
parce qu'il n'y a plus rien
that can be gained
qui peut
through the barrel of a gun.
Qui peut vaincre dans la bataille de guerre.
The people want peace.
Le peuple veut la paix.
The people are tired of
Le
war.
peuple est fatigué
Many
de la
thousands
guerre.
have died,
Des milliers de personnes
and
sont
many
mortes.
more have been
D'autres
internally
sont,
displaced
qui sont des
and
déplacés
unable
internes.
to conduct their regular activities.
Huko unenkiwa kwa bariki babutamba se serikali nigo gwatineniwe nekigambiro goika ekinekyo kebekira se kigambiro kubatikana nekyombe getendeterichi kolo Society of Kenya kiabeire kegotegererwa nabo igo konachwa nonya nabo nigo abacho gose abari kyabo abachore batanu na batatu konyora baikire bosio bwe kamati ebunge eriyo ko unenkiwa.
You know, our investment and our engagement in DRC is not unilateral. It is pursuant to head of states agreement and resolution to the East African countries to engage in DRC. So we are not doing it unilaterally. The countries agreed, the head of states agreeing. So the commander-in-chief in our country is doing what he's doing is in pursuant to that agreement. But nevertheless, the other countries are already engaged. In fact, South Sudan, I think, is already engaged. Burundi is already engaged. Rwanda is already engaged on their side of the boundary. Uganda as well. The only country that is not as engaged as we speak, and I'm sure they would, and that is within their domestic discussion, is Tanzania. So it's not a unilateral decision. It is a shared responsibility within the East Africa, and we're just doing what we agreed to do. And as I said, the DRC question, the decision we made and took as a country is the right one.
On the situation of migrant workers, Kenyans who are working in other countries, particularly Saudi Arabia. I think number one, what we will do differently, or rather, if I may characterize the problem, it is my understanding that part of the problem actually starts here. It starts with the way in which they are sourced, the way in which they are processed, the terms in which they are employed, amongst others.
Umugavana bwe county ya Lamu isatimami ni gaidredi bagari ya Eyemo Davad buna umuraibe kyama National Congress eyemagega ya Davad gotiga airiba gosego tigari bagerio na gucewikiranye emeremo yaye buna umu cabinet secretary okwana chinga kyekyo ni gaba bwatani korwase kyame kyo kya ANC batebire buna nigo bagochiko bwatarana kwene kya buna baro gosekorora bune kyame kyo ngegendrete gotigara getegosege tingete.
The political space and the political market will be more friendly and fertile for ANC to thrive.
Amani National Congress is there to stay. It will never fall. So all parties expect us will be competitive in the political world going forward.
We'll soon be meeting all the party leadership. We shall soon go for a retreat where we shall analyze what happened, what went wrong, why we performed poorly. At the same time, we shall come up with a 5-year strategic plan leading to the 2027 elections.
Abaraibe kyama kya UDA korwase county ya Kericho nigo batugute irare amaunchireri ayoganire gokorekana ase obutere gose ase county assembly ya Kericho eyamagega yomonogeri bwi assembly yo Dr. Patrick Mutai korariyo korusiwa kumurai bwabanga sebunge Aaron Rotich buna omo chief whip.
The UDA party sent clarification on the matter beforehand and confirmed that the changes made by the speaker were illegal and therefore null and void. He should have waited until I come so that if there is an election, let it be done publicly by the members and signed properly.
This thing was well choreographed, and we might need also to intervene from the other quarters that who are these people who signed, because we've been requesting to see those whom they are saying they signed, but we are not provided.
This is a house of rules and regulations, but what we've seen the past few weeks with the guidelines or with the guidance of the speaker is not the right way that we expect as assembly to run.
Abarubi bechinswe asensemo ya ugali meye kaunti ya Kisumu nigo bagendrete kobara asare nene kubwatkana nogo kwa mubasukano wechinswe ase nyancha ya Lake Victoria ono nigo kyaba betereire abarubi abo konya chinse ekyo nako tiga gosebune nchire Eyemo yoko tiga kogendera kubara asare yo.
Mimi nilikuwa na cages 4, kila moja ilikuwa na samaki 6,000, lakini 2 ilikuwa ready yenye nilikuwa nitoe mwezi ujao. Idadi ya pesa yenye nimepoteza kwa hizo cages 2 ni kama 1.5 million.
If you notice, the gills are pale yellow and they have some mucus. That fish is not is compromised, has a compromised quality. That's number one. But non-compromised quality is where the fish is pale red. You will go ahead to remove the visceral material, intestines. You remove the gills, and then you do what? You dissect the fish in the middle. So that such a kind of fish you can utilize.
Umancho murigariri bana namanke nakwariganiretie korenda sengencho yebirono ngokorerawo Amayia yechinse gosense ya masenchira ere yobwekiranu korenda chikoraga chinsa isato ninjoko yaretera asenchira ere yobwekiranu nainde kukukaneria oburigariri burobya me ya Ndizi TV ekerogenderete kubwatie miroberi yonsi nabayo ngoko inyoria buna naboko gendera gotonyora sense mere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube tobwati wetera Ndizi TV News nabogo tuitwetera @Ndizi TV News baigo ase website ito otonyoru wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre gusangana ya mankeri triane Evelyn Osero ultuwa kubwatira na kwene kya wikira sense mwe imanyererio niga korokwa Joshua Uta twaro burigere burubia.